Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue on our process of making using the all-in-one $25 digital business by promoting it on My Lead Gen Secrets. Right? That's what we're doing right now. Now this is the best affiliate market program I have ever found. It's 80 cents. It's 80% recurring commissions, which is unheard of. If you know, the best I've seen is 30-something% recurring commissions. That's not even a joke. You can find products that might pay you 80% or maybe 50% initially, and then it goes down to maybe 25% or something like that. Recurring stuff like that. You see that stuff like that all the time, but 80% recurring commissions, that's unheard of. All right, so best affiliate program I ever found. We using My Lead Gen Secrets exclusively to promote it. So just to see if we can get sales on My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, so if we get one sale, I'm happy. You know what I mean? One sale with My Lead Gen Secrets, that'd be amazing. So we're gonna continue here. I'm getting a lot of people interested. I noticed that a lot of people are checking it out, but they're not quite purchasing yet. So anyway, which is fine because I only need 10 people to make $1,000 off of this. So a month, $1,000 a month. Sorry about that. That's the thumbnail I already made for today. But let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna log into My Lead Gen Secrets here. We already in it here. So let's go and delete this. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna the email that I made yesterday worked a little better than the email they gave me to use. So we're just gonna make another email here. We're gonna look here and try to find something a little catchy. Right here, this looks pretty good. Let's use that for a title. Boom. Just that quick. Now we just find some. Okay, let's read this real quick. We're with you. A little long. I'm trying to shorten it up a little bit. By quick, our goal is to get you business and a positive cash flow as soon as your first week, even 48 hours or less in some cases. Right. It's a simple all-in-one business because just 2 sales can put you in profit for life. Right there. Let's get this. Boom. That's what I've been telling guys. Just 2 sales to get you in profit for life. That's all you need. You don't need a lot, you know. Positive cash flow as soon as the first week. In some cases, one big sales get you in profit for life. Get started. That's the so like hi, whatever name, fit a name here. You just try to formulate just enough information. You don't need a ton of information. Like this is fine here. We might add just a little bit more. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is plenty use here. Like you could send this off and we probably get some. So you just keep it short. Yeah, we'll just go with this. I don't know if I spelled that right. Yeah, that's fine. That looks pretty solid. We'll just use that. Let's see here. Let's go to Ain't that'll work. So we want to get our link here. So I use System.io to make it like a sale page on System.io. If you don't, when you don't have System.io, you just go to your SoundCard affiliate here, and you'll find it. So I just use that link. You don't even need like emails and that if you don't want to, but since we're using My Lead Gen Secrets, we already got emails. You know what I mean? An email service, and we are collecting leads already. So there's no need to build one if you don't really want to, because you just focus on My Lead Gen Secrets. But you know, if you wanna, for example, use other ways of promoting this product, you might need to build a funnel. Well, you can build a funnel. They give you a funnel to use, so you don't really gotta build it. You only want to build it if you want to keep, personally keep the leads yourself. Like, cause, well, I'll talk about it later. Let's just go and send this off. Get started today. That looks pretty good. I'll show you. Sincerely cute. Okay, let's make sure the link works. Boom. Come up. Yeah, it came up. All right. So simple. All right, perfect time, man. Send an email. Boom. Already done. Already done. All right. So, if you got multiple accounts, you want to go ahead and make another tab here, then log out on that tab, go to this, so you can just copy paste the email, boom. We're gonna go back to the other tab, see email still here. We're just gonna control AC, control V right here, delete that, get perfect timing. What perfect timing does is sends the email around the time people check their emails. So say for example 8 o'clock, check your email, that's around the time we'll send it, so it'll end up on the top of the list there. But anyway, send that right there like that. Simple as that. Very easy to do. And it's really amazing, this system here. I want to show you guys here. Alright, so we're gonna log out of this account and just do it again on the next account here. And on this account, we're gonna go to mailing system, select all. This account, go to, we need to get this first. Copy. Alright. Control Ace. Control V. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. So we're done, guys. Simple as that. Easy to do, and all of that good stuff. And like I was stating before, right? If you wanna promote it on other things besides My Lead Gen, you might need to build a email capture email thing to catch it on, which I have a link for in the description as well with GetResponse. It teach you, and the thing about GetResponse, you can it's the easiest mailing system out there. Simple, real simple and easy to do. If y'all interested in like using that to make using it and hooking it up and all that, I'll show you guys how to do all of that if you're interested in that. But we're using My Lead Gen Secrets for this challenge here. Like, we're trying to just focus on it. But yeah, I could show you guys that if y'all want to. But anyway, let's talk about this system a little bit more here. So you get 1 or 2 sales. Let's read this. You get 2 sales and you're in profit for life, guys. That's all you need. 2 sales and you making, let's see, you get 2 sales. Let me tell you the exact profit you making if you get 2 sales. You get 2 sales, 120, 120, 120, 120. You spend 120, spend 150. Okay, you spend 150, you get 120 back. You get 240, spend 150. You get $90 a month in general if you just get 2 sales. $90 a month. How many people want an extra $90 a month? That's a gas bill. you know. For most people, that's a gas bill like 3 or 4 times, sometimes 2 or 3 times nowadays. Gas don't got so high, but extra $90 a month. If you just stop at 2 sales, that's if you just stop at 2 sales. Say you get more, sales. That's 2 sales for life. And the thing is, how it's set up is that the person, I know a lot of these systems, right, when they have recurring income, people leave them. People leave them because they're not engaging. They don't have enough stuff in it to really. I think the biggest problem is it's not selling anything. You know what I mean? And like, it's not stuff that people use. But this system here is like, this is a funnel that you can build, and it's very smooth. It's very good funnel builder. Believe me, I don't tested a lot of them. I don't tested ClickFunnels. I don't tested Builderall. Builderall is the most sluggish one to me. Most intensive to learn how to do on Builderall, in my opinion. I don't try System.io, which it the problem with System.io, it's smooth, but when you finish building your page, it don't necessarily look exactly like you finished it. I think that's my problem with System.io. This right here is perfectly easy. It's so easy to build pages on this thing. I actually think it's the best funnel builder that I found so far. Now, it's other places. It's a bunch of other funnel builders out there. Those are the 3 that I know the most of. You know what I mean? And they probably the biggest ones out there. And the funnel builders are they kind of have their own little problems. But this right here is very smooth, and it's the cheapest funnel builder, definitely. All the other 3 ClickFunnels is $97, something like that. Builderall, Builderall, I think Builderall problem is it takes a long time to do anything in Builderall. That's its problem. And System.io, probably the one I recommend the most out of those 3, not including this one here. This one is the easiest by far. The System.io is smooth, but it doesn't end up looking exactly like you want it to look like. And there's just a lot of stuff you can't do on System.io that you can do in this funnel builder here. So yeah, it's selling something that's useful, and it's at a very good price, $25 plus funnel builder, $25 a month. That's very good. And there's no limits or anything like that. Like them other 3 systems I said before, there's a ton of limits. Like, you only get this amount of people in it. You can only get this amount of people clicking on it in the first place. ClickFunnels had like amount of people that can look at your funnel. That's crazy. That's a limit, and then they'll shut it down. That's insane. $97 a month. Now this product here doesn't have that, which is really cool, and it easily connects to like GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever you're more comfortable with, and it's selling something. That's why I think this product right here is what you want to promote in your business. Also, like, you paid $100 for the training. The training is constantly updated. All the tools you need, like the emails, whatever you need, you paid $100 a month. For a bunch of other stuff as well, and then they teach you how to handle tax. There's another product that teaches you how to handle the taxes and everything, so you ain't spending so much money on taxes and such. You can buy that as well. I haven't bought that yet, but that's what it says. I want to check it out, but I haven't bought it yet. I want to see if I can get. I want to get sales on my lead. I want to use my lead gen secrets to sell in this first. So that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy to do. Let's read a little bit more real quick. You get that 100K per year if you just get 1-2 sales per week. You just need 1 or 2 sales a week, and you can. And by the end of the year, you're making $100,000. That's insane. That's the easiest marketing system ever. And like, the thing is, like, you don't have to constantly get 1 or 2 sales per week to make the same amount of money. You're constantly building on that money. So you're building income, generating wealth, guys. I don't know if you know, but this is the best investment you can make. Like, screw the stock market. You've seen how the stock market works. Like, the last few months, stock market's been trash. Screw the stock market. It's just not a good idea. Screw Bitcoin and all that. Put your money into this. Put your money into this and just get 2 people in it, and you already at a profit for the rest of your life. You see what I'm saying? Just get 2 people in and you at a profit for the rest of your life. Just that easily. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit all the buttons, hit the notification bell, make sure to comment, tell me more about what y'all want me to do here. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.